There. Can you see in there? Come here. Oh, you kissing me? Oh, you give me a kiss? Oh, you give me a kiss? You give me a kiss? You love me? Oh. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Come here. Come here. Are you okay? You're okay. What? You want to go for a ride? You want to go for a ride? Huh? Can I pet you? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're in love. Yeah. Are you making some noises? Huh? Want to swing? Yeah. Oh, you're hiding in my hair. You know you gotta go back to your cage. You gotta go back to your cage. You gonna miss me? Are you gonna miss me? Huh? You gonna miss me? Yeah. I'll be back. I'll be back. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, you're just not going to want to come down, are you? Come here. Come here, silly boy. You're going to have to let go, let go. Why do you always want to get up there? Oh, ribbit. You love me? Huh? Can I have a kiss? Oh, is that a kiss? Was that a kiss? What was that? Oh, that was a scream. Can you be a chicken? Do the whole chicken. Do the whole chicken. No, that's not a chicken. No, that's more like a horse. Do a chicken. Do a chicken. Can you do a frog? Oh, pretty boy. Are you in love? Oh, are you in love? Give the camera a kiss goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. See you later, alligator. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. You don't like that, do you? Huh? You will. You will. I'll have you turning flips pretty soon. Can I have a kiss goodbye? Let's put your rope away.